Sissi Goh. Today I'm at a very interesting event organized by China Society. It's called One Night in Chengdu, and I'm here with my friend Maple. Hi, Maple. Can you say hi? So this event is very unique event. We have about how many guests? 40,
70.
70
over guests, yeah.
We have 70 over people over here in this restaurant called Birds of a Feather. It's
Amoy Street.
and the owner is from Chengdu. So he has a few branches, right?
42 establishments in Singapore.
Right. We're very honored to be here, and the food is really fantastic. We just had what was it?
口水鸡 classic mouth-watering chicken, and 鱼香 eggplant with spring onion crumbles and pecan chini. So
Dandan noodle, sour vegetable fish,
and the chicken in the chili.
Oh yeah. That's
辣子鸡
辣子鸡is a really famous food from Chengdu.
But these are not the very traditional Chengdu dishes.
Yes.
They go for very fusion style.
Right.
So you can see a little bit of Western influence,
Yes.
in the Chengdu dishes.
Yes.
And they're not super spicy, so they're very suitable for locals, taste buds.
Yes, and also like people from Western countries, and they might want to have a taste of the Chinese food. So it will act as a very good bridge, right, in between the taste buds. And we also had performances like the 变脸, the face-changing performance.
How many
But,
faces were changed?
14
faces.
right, 14. Wow. It was performed by our local Singaporean, right, who learned from Chengdu.
He went all the way to Chengdu
Right.
just to pick up this craft.
Right,
He
right.
was very devoted to the learning, very committed.
Yeah.
So actually this craft, this skill is not to be revealed to foreigners. But he managed to strike, conversations and establish friendship with a master in China. And the master finally agreed to take him as a student.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. And he has volunteered to teach me as well. Just now.
Be ready to pay lots.
Oh, that would be so cool, right? To be able to dance and change face at the same time. But I guess we women are naturally gifted to change face.
Metaphorically, of course. Yeah. But interestingly, he mentioned that he had no male students at all.
Yeah, exactly.
Male student is interested to learn the 变脸.
I was
All of
quite
his students
shocked.
are
Yeah.
females, in fact. Yeah.
Because I thought that this trick is only done by guys. I've never seen a female performer before. Have you? No.
Not that I know of. Perhaps they are women, but 变脸 supposed to cover up their real face. Yeah.
Exactly, so we don't know who they are. Okay, and we also had a very interesting Chinese dance by Jing Studio. So they did like 辣妹子, right? It's one of very signature Chinese song, Chinese choreography, I guess.
Hey, nice to meet you.
We will be seeing the magic tricks as well. So I'm quite looking forward to it.
Because right here today, I'm going to share with all of you a secret to the lottery tickets. It doesn't really matter what tickets you have or what number you shake. It really matters what tickets you have. Because if you have the winning ticket,
thank
no
you
matter what
everyone
you do, you'll
for
win some cash. All you have to do is is this.
Tonight,
Snack at home.
hope you enjoy the
Watch.
food,
3, 2,
the
1.
activities,
Clap your ones.
fun.
Whoa!
You can always change
Enjoy
it
the
to
rest
just
of the
1,
night.
2,
Thank
3,
you.
4, and that will be Singapore $200.
Will you give to us?
Have a look. This is for you.
Is it?
No, I'm kidding. This is a pack of cards to be exact. 54 of them.
Also,
Okay.
thanks to the committee. So, Mr. Clarence Ling,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Put it back in any
And
way you
Dr.
want.
Jennifer Dodson for helping with check-in.
Okay.
And I'd
Yeah.
like to
One
invite
last note.
Eileen Tan
This
to
is the chosen
present
part.
the
Please do
gifts
not
to.
forget, because if you forget,
Okay.
then it's
On behalf of Eileen
finished.
Tan and the China
Okay.
Society, we'd like to present Mr. Shell from the China Cultural Center with a small gift on behalf of the society.
No.
And thank you for your
So
support.
believe it or not, all I have to do is this. Give this card a gentle snap, and a 10 of cards will change into your card.
Oh.
Nothing new, nothing fanciful. Like I said, all you have to do is simply give this card here a gentle snap. It changes back to.
Wow.
That's how it looks like.
Okay.
Goes right into the middle here. Nothing new, nothing fanciful. Goes right in here. By the way, can I check for all of you? Did you know what this move or what this motion is called? Shuffle. Most people think it's what you call a shuffle, but it's not really a shuffle because the order isn't mixed up. We have a name for this. This is actually what we call showing off. But same thing always happens because you step your finger once, the card will always jump with a name on it.
Wow.
Not just that, goes right into the middle here. Same thing always happens because all you gotta do is just step your finger once, the card will always jump into the ring.
And shall we show our friends at the same table?
Okay. Let's just take a look at our friends. Say hi.
Committee member of China Culture Society. Right?
Yes, and if you are interested to know about Chinese culture, Chinese arts, food, tea,
History.
yeah, history, you should join us at the next event. Okay, see you next time.
Stay tuned.